Today we're going to talk about how to store lemons, but before we do that, we're going to talk about what lemons are. They're non-climacteric. What does that mean? So some produce, fruits like apples and avocados, once they're harvested, they still continue to ripen. Lemons don't. So that's really great for lemons because that means they're going to maintain their quality longer. But how do you store them? There's two things that are really important when it comes to lemons. One, you want to keep them cold. Two, you want to protect them from air, which means keeping lemons as beautiful as they look on the counter in a bowl of fruit is the worst way to store them. If you store them that way at room temperature, they're probably going to last a week if you're lucky. What you want to do is you want to store them in the fridge. But before you do that, you want to take the lemons and put them in a plastic bag that you can seal. Protecting them from air and keeping them cold will actually allow the lemons to last not a week, but up to 4 weeks. So that closed bag not only protects them from the air, but lemons actually really like humidity. So it just kind of creates the perfect environment in the fridge for them. They can last not only 4 weeks, I've actually had lemons last for months kept this way. So while they look great on your counter, it's not the best place to store them. Now, what if you zest your lemons? So if you cook with lemons a lot and you actually use the zest a lot, that's a whole different story. Zested lemons, once you've actually zested them, you want to store them just a little bit differently. Take those lemons and wrap them in plastic and then put them in the fridge. Because you've exposed that peel, they're just more likely to spoil faster. They're not going to last weeks. Once you start zesting them, they're probably only going to last 3 to 4 days. So there you go. That's how you store your lemons. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment down below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you like to cook like I do, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.